Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be exploring another one of our Jamaican proverbs. As I mentioned in my last video, I absolutely love Jamaican proverbs. I love talking about them. I love finding new ones and I love to see familiar ones. I've been using them for as long as I can remember and I will continue to use them for as long as I possibly can. The one we'll be talking about today, some of you might know it, some of you might have never heard it before, but enjoy it, whichever category you fall under. I hope you enjoy it. So the proverb for today is, "No care or hog try to hide under sheep wool, him grunt let him down." No care or hog try to hide under sheep wool, him grunt let him down. And it basically means that a person's true character will always be revealed. So we all meet people in our lives who turn out to be something that they are not. You meet them show you one side of them, and eventually you see the real side. The real side always come out. It don't matter how long you hide it. It don't matter how long you pretend. It don't matter how many people believe the side that you show them. Your true self always come out. It's like eventually it will come out. And I have encountered so many people in my life, so many people that I've given the benefit of the doubt. Because honestly, I try not to judge people before I know them. And sometimes I just say, all right, this is the person they're showing me to be. I believe them. And I have been burned so many times by people who I give them the benefit of the doubt. And guess what? At the end of the day, when I find out who them truly is, who they truly are, honestly, it's like me dumbfounded. Even until recently, sometime this year, a girl that I thought was my friend. We shared things together. We did things together. She was at my house. I was at her house. We talk about things that affect us. We did things together. We prayed together. And I thought she was my friend. I honestly thought she was my friend. The truth is, her husband, he's the one who usually has a more, what would I say? How would I put this? He's the one who a lot of people would say, well, I don't really like that guy because he is a jerk. But he was showing his true colors from the beginning. She, on the other hand, was very deceptive. And I remember that this year I was going through something and I needed her to be there for me. And you know what she did? She turned on me. She literally took the side of my accuser over me. And that was somebody that I thought was my friend. And so, as I said, no matter how long hog hide under sheep wool, eventually, him grunt, I gonna let him down. And I was telling my mother the other day about a parable, a fable that I heard. And it's about a scorpion and a frog. The scorpion asked the frog to carry him across the river. And the frog is like, no, me not carry you across the river. Because if I carry you across the river, you're going to sting me. And the scorpion is like, why would I sting you? And me asked if he carry me go across the river. And the frog hesitated and he said, no, me not carry you go across the river. Because if me carry you go across the river, you're going to sting me. But the scorpion said, no, me not sting you. Just carry me go across. Anyway, the frog finally give in and decides, all right, I'm going to carry the scorpion, go across the river. Scorpion go up on the frog back. Frog go carry him across the river. Halfway across the river, the scorpion sting the frog. And the frog said to him, say, what are you telling me, say you're not going to sting me? Why you sting me? And what the scorpion say? It's in my nature. He couldn't help himself. He couldn't help himself. And that is exactly what this parable is saying to me. No care how hog hide under sheep wool, him grunt, let him down. No matter how long them pretend, no matter how long you see them come with the niceties and act like them is the saint, if that person is not genuine, if that person is not being a true friend, if that person have ulterior motive, then it eventually will come out. Unfortunately for some of us, it come out too late, but eventually it will come out. And so, trust your instincts. We have it for a reason, you know. Sometimes we know these things, sometimes we feel these things in our spirit and we say, no man, we just give them the benefit of the doubt. But trust your instinct. And just remember, say, now care how long hog hide under sheep wool, him grunt, let him down. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel, and I will keep the Jamaican Proverbs coming. Comment on your favorite ones below, and walk good as always.